Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some arch support insoles by MUMU, I guess is the brand of it. And I'll show you guys what these are here. Let me open it up. And I got size medium, and I wear like an 8.5 foot. And so this is what they look like here. So you can see it's got a, I'll explain it here. It's got a hard kind of piece on here. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, I guess that's how it's going to hold itself in place in the shoe. And then it's got a decent size arch on it here. And it should be comfortable insoles for my shoe. So let me see, is there anything I need to know about it? Just arch support insoles. So they have a decent arch support. So if you get a shoe that doesn't have very good arch support, so I've got a shoe that doesn't have great arch support. So I'm going to just take out the inside thing, which is just totally ripped up anyways. And then we were going to put this one in. I'm going to guess this is way bigger. This is way bigger than my whole shoe. So I can cut down the edge. You see it's even got cutting guide on the bottom there. So I can cut it down to my size, which is about 8.5. But I'm going to just go ahead and stick this in here. Fold it up a little bit here. I've got the smallest shoes in the world. I don't even think these are my shoes. Let me go find a pair of my shoes. I'll be right back. Okay, so you're not going to fit a size 8 insole into a size 6 shoe. But here we go. So now we have a size 8 shoe or 9 shoe or something like that. And you see it fits in there good. And when I put it on, like these shoes I have here, I don't even think I put, it gives me support now. It actually rises my foot up. Let me try it without the other side. I'm going to take out the existing one. See, this one has almost no arch support. There's like no arch in here at all. So let me go and put this one in this side. And let's try it that way. So the first one I did, I just put it right on top of the old one. And then this one here is on it instead of it. So let's see what the difference is here. That first one, it's a tight fit, I guess, because I didn't take out the old one. And this one here fits way better, obviously. And there, now I have some arch support. I mean, I don't know if you guys really need to see my feet, but if you want to, this is what my feet look like inside of the shoes. This one here, it's squished in there because I left the old one in here, and this one here I have some space because I have just the new piece in there. But these are nice. They feel good. It's nice to actually have some arch support. I know, like when I wear these shoes and I wear them around all day, it really gets like tiring and my arches do start to hurt. So this is going to give me some support that these little flimsy things don't do. So I like it. Thumbs up. Totally cool.